Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if every dollar you spend quietly earned you money back without complicated categories? That is the surprising truth about the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Card. This card offers flat rate cash back on every purchase, no categories to track, and no annual fee. That makes it one of the simplest reward systems available. If you bank with Bank of America, your rewards can grow even faster. Preferred Rewards members can earn significantly more cash back, turning everyday spending into serious money. You also get fraud protection, zero liability, and a generous introductory APR period for purchases. For people who want simplicity, reliability, and long-term cash back, this card delivers. Verdict: worth it for simple everyday cashback.